ChainThat. We started blockchain and insurance three years ago, formally, but much before that. What we have is a mature platform that allows the reinsurance brokers and carriers to try out the benefits of different aspects of the use case, be it a claims, underwriting, placement, accounting, settlement, workflow. We have already pre-built some of these components. The key reason is, in the panelists before, we mentioned about a huge IT project to try out a big blockchain project and fear of failure. In order to avoid that, what we did was we wanted to build a platform that allows the innovation journey to be faster for both the reinsurance brokers and the carriers, everybody to try this platform. It's just technology is enabled by blockchain, but there's lots of other suites of components that we've built which blockchain can't solve into this insurance framework that we've come up with, which is exactly to make the operations faster, slicker, and quicker. And if you want to see the live demonstrations of some of this, we have it today, and we can run some of the use cases, and it just put the context that it is there, ready to be configured, to be taken on, and be into production. I'm sure EY have shown that with the Maersk solution, and it is happening. It is in production. It's a production-ready platform.
In terms of the platforms that you're describing for insurance and reinsurance, are they mediated by a public chain, or is it a private chain? And that is to say, is there a central actor that has control over the governance or the way in which that chain develops, say the ability to change an entry or amend something? How does it work now, and how do you see it going forward?
So where we are focusing is on a private permission blockchain. So we are not into this public blockchain space. So because of the reinsurers, brokers, insurers, they already have a level of trust now. Public blockchain is where you have zero trust with the trading partners, and you need a consensus mechanism to get the transactions through. But here we are focusing on a value-focused group of entities who already have a business network today. It's just that it's been transacted through traditional systems, and hence the byproducts of the inefficiencies that we have today. So what our focus is to connect these entities on a private network blockchain and permission, so that they coordinate the data, they share the processes, and they share the communication to create the single version of the truth. We don't use tokens. There is no cryptocurrency in our platform, because what we focused on is a low-hanging fruit, which is an operational friction which exists today, which needs to be solved today with a very in the space that we work in, the commercial insurance space. Obviously there will be multiple business networks. Yeah. There's a Bermuda network here, so you could look at a Bermuda insurance authority could be creating the governance for that network, and there could be a London-based network. It could be a Lloyd's. It could be which is gone by Lloyd's, or it could be a Singapore network. There is a level of interoperable transactions that may happen, but that is still within the boundaries of a private network. Gotcha. Because it's still a business network. When I don't see how the public chain network can come in, because then it comes to a zero trust again. So I think that's a different offering totally. Yeah. So in the commercial insurance or reinsurance space, in the B2B environment, it's purely the different networks will be there, but they will have to collaborate. I think somebody mentioned about supply chain as a great example. So if you look at the ecosystem, insurance is just one angle to it, right? Because it's a customer-led. Everybody needs a payment, everybody needs an insurance. The insurance needs an insurance broker. It goes off a chain like that. So, but within that insurance boundary, there will be multiple networks, which is the business networks.